W1.
What's up, Chico Gang? Call y'all Chico Gang to my 65 subscribers. Back with a video again. It's August. You're moving kind of fast. It's about to be Christmas before you know it, as one of my fellow friends would say. My boy Marlon. He gonna say something like Christmas like tomorrow. He got like a weird theory about how time moves. But you be right for those times. Next thing you know, it's gonna be Halloween, and it's gonna be Thanksgiving, and the year's gonna be over. But today, I got a real delicate shoe, which I'm gonna be trying a new method. So we got a pair of Chanel's, we got suede. It's a real delicate shoe. So what I'm gonna try today, I got a new method. Not a new method, it's been out, but it's my first time doing a video. I'm gonna be using a dry cleaning kit. So we're gonna dry clean this. I'm gonna try to barely use water unless I have to on this suede. I'm just try to go in with the magic eraser and get y'all a little close up on that suede. Whatever it is, I don't know, it feels good. I'm gonna try to use some wipes to like wipe down these areas. The goal here today is to use the least water possible. I'm not gonna try to use a lot of water. And as y'all can see, I got me a new little towel. No more towels out there with that one regular towel we're using. So I got a microfiber cleaning mat from the Shoeinator. I also re-up when I told y'all can donate. I got me a new bottle. This is a nice size bottle. It should last me a couple months, I believe. The last couple bottles last me a couple months, so that should last me a little longer. But that's what we're gonna do today. And yeah, let's get it. Shoestrings is out. Stick it out. Got my shoe tree. It's gonna pump the shoe up, which I don't think I need the shoe tree. I kinda do though. I ain't gonna be pressing niggas not for real, but that's how it is. That's how that form. Get it pumped up in there. Alright, got my dry cleaning kit. I guess I'm gonna just take the eraser and I'm gonna just start going in and getting some of these, these little scuffs and see how good I get with that. I don't wanna, if I have to use water, I will. I honestly don't like cleaning suede with water. I just feel like it just takes away from it. Just pull off the suede, that type of material, and it'll never be back to how it usually be. So yeah, I'm just gonna start off by erasing the soap and give y'all a little look. And I'm gonna go on erasing. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna show y'all in afterwards. Okay. Okay, then dry cleaning the eraser. Looking better already. That one little mark is gone. Off. A little plain, simple eraser. Just a little eraser. So go ahead and look. Put it in the shade. You gotta put it in the shade. The light. Take away from the dirt. The dirt. Skeet marks they be hiding in there. Hey, I'm getting better and better. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't the GOAT yet, but I'm getting better and better. Give me like 2 years in the game. I ain't even 1 year in the game. I'm just constantly learning and just getting better. Every day. Look at that. The mess is gone. So I'm gonna try it for this side. We're gonna get it in. Let's see. Okay, all done with the eraser and the little mini brush, because I got a lot of scuffs and a lot of them brown marks off, even some on the midsole I got off. So my dog tripping, but like I said, this operation use the least water as possible. So now I got some wipes. I got some wet wipes. There's like some spots on the toe box and like on the leather that I'm gonna wipe down with some of those mini wipes. What? So I got some wet wipes. I'm gonna try to get everything I can off the top of this toe. There's some little stuff on there. I don't know if y'all can see it. The camera focuses in on that. Excuse me. But there's some stuff on the toe and like around the area. I mean, I'm talking around the area, around the leather area. So I'm gonna try to wipe some of that down. Hey, did anybody watch the Versus with LOX and Dipset? I did not watch it. I was playing 2K, bro. I would have watched it. Heard it was busting though. They say LOX was in there. Getting it in. Hey, dry cleaning is really fun though, I ain't gonna cap. Just erasing all the scuff marks off. You ain't gotta deal with no water, no soap, no hard scrubbing. You just erasing and brushing. Erasing and brushing, erasing and brushing. That's pretty cool. I might just start dry cleaning everything. All real high value shoes. Oh, this felt like it's gonna need some water. I don't know what it is. Oh man. I'm not trying to use no water. Yeah, I hear that. I don't know what material this is. If anybody got a pair of Chanel, I know they give y'all a little packet on how to clean the shoes and what type of material you're dealing with. Let me know what they use to make these shoes. Cause they got like a little booklet that come with like a lot of them little foreign shoes to tell you how to clean it and everything. I had some Queens. Came with a little booklet on how to clean the shoes, how to clean them. After using the eraser, another brush, and a couple wet wipes, shoes looking pretty good. We got that nasty black scuff mark off right there. Got a lot of the black marks, and we barely use any water. So what I'm gonna do next is got my heat gun. There's some small creases on some creases on like the back end. And like some small areas right here, like would it go to the bottom, I guess, the sole. So I'm gonna take my heat gun and apply some pressure to remove this, to remove these creases off of the midsole. So I had to come do a close up by myself, just so y'all can see there's no cap. So you got the creases right there, and them creases. Let's see, got some more. Just some real small ones, not big, some real small creases.
level you won.
I'm all done with the heat gun and getting the creases out. I do have the other shoe with me, but I didn't do before and after because I had started cleaning this shoe before I did the video on this shoe. So this shoe is already like kind of like semi-clean, but instead, there's a little eraser residue in here. That eraser is everywhere. All of it. But I brought it here because I didn't get the creases out of this one. I just want to do like a side by side to show y'all how the creases turned out. So I'm gonna show you this shoe first. You can see some of those creases on there still that I didn't get out yet. You can look on this side. Now I'll show you this shoe. I did get the creases out. I'm gonna do it another side by side at the end of the video. Just to show how the creases came out, and it'd be like a better view because I'll be focused on it and I won't necessarily be in it talking. But I got the shoe strings in the sitting in the water. I'm gonna just you know, put it in the hand washing machine real quick. But this will be the end of the video. So I did have fun doing the dry clean method. I barely used any water. Used some wet wipes and eraser and a little mini brush. And that was about it. So y'all will see the before and after videos when I do the side by side at the end. But I do want to shout everybody out for subscribing if you did. If you didn't subscribe, if you like this channel, I got some good content, then you can subscribe. I don't want to tell nobody to subscribe. I want you to judge for yourself that it's some good content that you want to continue watching. So if you want to subscribe, subscribe. If not, holler at me at the next video. If you like it then you can subscribe. For my subscribers, like, comment, send me those encouraging words that you have been given over the past couple videos and on my Instagram page and all the resharing and reposting. I thank everybody because I wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't be here without you. Sharing and liking and doing everything that you do. I really appreciate it. Nothing goes unappreciated with the page and what I'm trying to do. Hop on the train because it's leaving. I'm close to 70 subscribers. Once I get that 100, I feel like the drive gonna be, you know, the drive gonna be a little better. I don't know the word or what I want to put in the sentence, but I'm gonna continue to keep going no matter how many views I get right now. I know starting off, you know, it takes time and consistency. That's what I want to. I also want to give a message. If you want to start your business or anything that you're trying to start, it's all about consistency. You know, people we want to see their stuff grow. They want to be a millionaire the next day. When you look at all these YouTubers and all these billionaires, it took them years to get to where they're at. All you gotta do, keep striving, keep pushing, because all it takes is one win. All it takes is one win. All it takes for me is one video to go viral, and then they can just skip down and go through all my other videos. All it takes is one. All it takes is one person to see you, see the potential, and that's it. Chico Restorations, Chico_Restoration. I keep saying that wrong. And if you want to see where I got this cool thumbnail from, you know, where I get all my graphic design from, holla at my man's Griffin.Visuals, Griffin_Griffin.Visuals. I'll put the name in the description. I'll put it on the video or whatever. But like I said, thanks for coming out. Thanks everybody for giving me this. I'm at 65 subscribers right now. I'm shooting for that 70, then we're gonna shoot for the 80 and so on and so on. So thank you, family, friends, viewers, haters, anybody who's watching. Thanks for coming out. Peace.